Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Duo account in your Android cell phone. For this, first you have to make sure that you have installed Google Duo application in your Android cell phones. If it is not installed, you have to install it first. So, open your Google Duo application in your Android cell phones. When this application is open in front of you, you can sign up to it through two options. The first one is about using email and the second one is about using your phone numbers. I will show you how you can create Google Duo account through your phone numbers. First, you have to select the countries through which you are making your account. And then enter your cell phone number. When you have entered your cell phone number, you have to agree to it. So, when you get agree to it, it will send you a verification code in your cell phone and then it is verified. So, now your account is being made. You will see that your whole contact list is open here and you can add as many members and you can also invite people through this. If you want to change some settings of your Google Duo account, you can also do it by going to the settings. If you want to change the call settings, messages settings and notification settings, you can also do it by going to the settings of this application. So, that's how you can make a Google Duo account in your Android cell phones. Thank you.